ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
So hi students, so hi everyone, hello everyone ma. So from chapter 8, that is the hereditary, we have seen the description, right, like what are the topics in that. So let's do the questions from the previous year question papers. So already we have done the description, right, see chapter we have done. So from that chapter, what are the questions? We'll see. So we are here doing the 4-mark question. This 4-mark question can be asked as the 8-mark question. In the weightage itself, I told you, right, from the hereditary chapter, you get the 2-mark question, you may get the 4-mark question, or you may get the 8-mark question. So here are some set of questions for you. Let's do it. The questions here. So first question, explain the sex determination in humans with the example of flowchart. So nana manaki ఇక్కడ హెరిడిటరీ చాప్టర్ నుంచి మనకి టాపిక్స్ అనేవి మనం చూసాము, లెసన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్, చాప్టర్ వీ హ్యావ్ సీన్, చూసాం కదా. సో చూడకపోతే సో గెట్ ఇన్ టు యువర్ వీడియోస్, ఓకే, ఓపెన్ ద వీడియోస్ దర్, ఓకే, జస్ట్ వాచ్ ద వీడియోస్, ఓకే. దీని డిస్క్రిప్షన్ మొత్తం మనకి అవైలబుల్గా ఉంది, యూ క్యాన్ జస్ట్ వాచ్ ఇట్ దేర్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇందులో వచ్చే క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చేసరికి ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్స్ నుంచి అసలు ఏం అడుగుతున్నారనేది మనం చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటమ్మా, వాట్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఈస్ ద సెక్స్ డిటర్మినేషన్. నేను సెక్స్ డిటర్మినేషన్ చెప్పినప్పుడే ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ రైట్ దట్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. సీ హౌ మచ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్క్డ్ ఇన్ ద మార్చ్ 2016 and the March 2019 they have asked. So what you need to answer for this question? Sex determination. You have one flow chart in your textbooks, yeah, and materials also, and in my video lectures also is there, so check it. So what you need to draw here is the flow chart. This question they may simply ask you for the 2-mark, just simply flow chart. They simply can ask for the flow chart. ఫ్లో చార్ట్ అడిగినా కూడా ఇదే రాయాలి మీరు. సో వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు రైట్ హియర్, వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు డ్రా. సో ఇక్కడ హౌ మెనీ సెట్ ఆఫ్ క్రోమోజోమ్స్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ ద హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్? 46. ఓకే, క్రోమోజోమ్స్ మీన్స్ 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of allosomes or sex chromosomes we see. So here is our chart. 44 plus XY, 44 plus XX. Okay, this is the father here and this is the mother. Okay na? So after father and mother, what we get? The gametes we get. Here you get the 2 gametes. What are the 2 gametes? 22 plus X 22 plus y we get. From here 22 plus x here and 22 plus x. So those are the diploid ones. The 2x condition, what we produce the gametes are always the haploid condition. So now after getting the gametes, this is the androsperm, gynosphere. Okay, next you have to cross it one with another. So write it there, 22 plus 22 44 plus xx. So xx means it's a female. So we have the allosomes, right? 6 chromosomes. XX means the female and XY is the male. So we have autosome and allosome, 44, 5, 6, 46. So this is the female, baby girl. Next, we have done this cross. Now let's do this one here. Okay, next 44 plus XX. Here also again female only. Okay, next one we'll say this is over. Now come this side, 44, here we have x, here we have y, xy. This is a boy, baby girl or male. Next, this is completed. Now this one, 44 plus, then again xy, xy, 1x 1y. This is male one. So this is the probability here ma. So who is determining the sex here? So the Y chromosome. So in the presence of a Y chromosome only we get the male. Without a Y chromosome XX definitely we get the female. So who is determining here? The Y chromosome is determining the sex of the individual. If we ask you question like this, you need to draw this diagram. Okay, write the few points. What are the few points you need to write? Chromosome number, 46 chromosomes are there. How many pairs? 22 and one pair like that. Okay, who is the XX, who is the XY, you need to write, and after the crossing you have to, who is determining the sex, we need to write there. So this is about the sex determination. So if any question that is important from this chapter, if it comes rise like that, so this question ranks number one question is the sex determination. ఏదైనా క్వశ్చన్ మనకి ఇంపార్టెంట్ వన్ అన్ని క్వశ్చన్ వేసుకుంటే ఫస్ట్ లిస్ట్లోకి ఎవరు వస్తారు? ఇక్కడ సెక్స్ డిటర్మినేషన్ అనేది వస్తుంది. చెక్ ఇట్ వన్స్ మా. So this is an important question, never leave this question here. So that's about the sex determination.
Hello students, my name is R.K. Pandey. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur from electrical engineering. I teach chemistry in K. Venkana classes. I head the chemistry department. The main facility of K. Venkana classes is all the faculty are very rich in experience, and they have taught students who have secured single and double digits. They have got very good ranks in JEE and NEET. So if you are serious for your career and if you want to pursue your career in engineering or medical, you are surely welcome here. The facilities includes not only the top tier teachers but the other facilities like doubt clearing sessions and other academic as well as personal treatment that is provided by this institute.
So from hereditary we have seen the first question, and another question we'll see what is the other question coming from this chapter, previous year question. So here they are asking what are the Mendel laws of inheritance. They are asking here means the Mendel laws, and what are the reasons for selecting the people, and they are asking. from this chapter. So this question is asked in the March 2017. So March 2017 లో క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు, ఏమని మెండల్ లాస్ అడిగారు అండ్ ఈవెన్ ద రీజన్స్ అనేవి అడిగారు. సో వీ హ్యావ్ ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్డ్, రైట్? Didn't watch? So then watch it in our videos. Then what are Mendel laws? Mendel laws are given by Mendel. So what are the three laws here? Law of dominance. Law of dominance you need to write. So whenever this question comes na, so question అడిగినప్పుడు ఏం రాయాలి అంటే మెండల్ లాస్ అని పెట్టి అందులో 3 లాస్ గురించి రాయాలి. సో లా ఆఫ్ డామినెన్స్ అనేది ఒకటి, లా ఆఫ్ సెగ్రిగేషన్ and law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment. You need to write about these 3 laws. So what is this law of dominance? Recollect it once. Oksari gurtu techukondi. In our F1 hybrid, one allele is dominant over another one, like this, capital T or capital like that, capital Y or small like that. This is dominant over other. So that's why we are getting the tall or yellow color like this, yellow. Okay, that is the dominance. What is segregation? So same, these gametes are separate to each other. They won't mingle, they won't combine here. So this law is also called the purity of gametes here. Ikkada individual ga anevi untayi nana. So this yellow color is separate here, the green color, the allele or the gene is separate. So they segregate. Gametes will segregate there. So that's called the law of segregation. Then what is the law of independent assortment here? When 2 pairs of characters are given, y, small y like that, or like this, this is for yellow color, this for round, this is one character, this is another character. These characters are independent to each other. So one character is independent to the other, hence it expresses. So all the gametes are assorted independently. So that's why we got the 16 offsprings, right? So that's about the 3 laws. We need to write all these 3 laws, then complete it. Then what is left? Ikkada varaku chaduvutam, ivi marchipotam. Never do like that. We have to write even the reasons. So what are the reasons? Can you tell the reason? Annual plant. Annual plant. Remembering or not? Bisexual. Okay. Next, self-pollination, cross-pollination, 7 different contrasting characters. Okay. Contrasting characters are seen. Contrasting characters are seen. Why did he choose the pisum plant, not any other plant? Because it had the very short life cycle. So that's about the Mendel laws. Can you see other question here? So what is the question here? What is phenotype and genotype? They are asking, and with the help of monohybrid cross, they are asking to illustrate this one. So this is also from the hereditary chapter. So what is the phenotype and the genotype? What is the phenotype, ma? So if they ask the question like this, what you need to write as the answer? Question adigite em rayali manamu? Phenotype and rayali, genotype rayali, terms monohybrid cross gurinchi rayali. And which year they asked this question? In 2017 they asked this question. So what is a phenotype? Physical appearance. Physical appearance. Physical appearance. Then what is a genotype? Genetic makeup. Genetic makeup. Then do the cross there. Monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross means we do with only one character. So YY into small y. Then what we get a gamete here? Capital Y, small y. These are the parents, gametes. Now cross. This is the F1 generation. So repeat this generation here for F2. Then you need to draw the checkerboard. Okay. So male and the female, Y, small y, capital Y, small y, capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y, small y, small y. So what is the phenotype ratio there? Phenotype ratio is equal to 3:1. LOR, this is yellow color, this is yellow color, this is yellow color. So 3 are yellow and 1 green. Okay. Then what is the genotype ratio? The genotype ratio is 1:2:1. Why? Because the homozygous YY and the heterozygous capital Y, small y and small y, small y. These questions they may ask even for the 2 mark. You have to get ready with this question. Okay, they simply can give the checkerboard, and in the checkerboard itself they can ask the phenotype or the genotype, or they ask you to do the cross here. So that's about the monohybrid cross and the phenotype and the genotype characters. So the next question from the hereditary from previous year's question papers. Explain in brief any 2 evidences from evolution. What is evolution? Change. Not fast change, it's a slow gradual change. So what they're asking the evidences to prove. We have the set of evidences, right? Homologous organs, analogous organs, we have evidences. Okay, and in the it is asked in the year 2019 they have asked. So what you need to answer here? So homologous organs and analogous. Okay, and another evidences is fossil evidences you can write, and another evidences is the embryological evidences you can give. So homologous means homo separate, they do different function, same origin of organ but they do different function. Analogous means they are different in origin but they do same function. This is about the function what they are doing. Okay, I told right, HD cameras. Okay, next fossils are the remnants ones from the dead past one. We can get those fossils, that is the evidence for the evolution. Like I said, the dinosaurs and all the leaf remnants, when we get the remnants. So all these remnants are the proof, they are the proof for the evolution. So in past there is some dinosaur living it seems, so like that. That's manaki oka proof anedi kavali kada, previous ido organism undedanta ala anisi. So evidences. Next, embryological evidences, like in embryo stage every organism embryo is somewhat similar it seems, like from fish to the man, from fish to man there is a similarity during embryo stage it seems. During embryo stage you have the similarities it seems. If you write from this 2 evidences, if you write it, it's enough. Okay, you get the 4 mark, Okay.